Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gallery view smaller in Notion. First, to adjust the overall size of your gallery cards, locate the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your database. Click on it, then select Layout. From there, you will find the card size option. Choose Small to significantly reduce the visual footprint of each card, making your gallery more compact and easier to navigate. Next, let's refine what appears on each card. Go back to the Layout settings. Here, you'll see an option called Card Preview. You can set this to None if you wish to remove all images from your cards, which makes them appear much smaller. Alternatively, selecting Page Cover ensures a consistent image display, using the page's designated cover image for every card. To further minimize your gallery cards, consider hiding unnecessary properties. Within the database settings, find the Properties menu. Here, you can see a list of all properties associated with your database. Simply toggle off the eye icon next to any property you don't want visible on the card face. Displaying only essential information will make your cards appear cleaner and more streamlined. Finally, let's ensure your images fit perfectly without cropping. In the Layout settings, you'll find a Fit Image toggle. Turning this on will prevent Notion from cropping your images, allowing the entire picture to be visible within the card frame. For the most visually appealing and compact gallery, aim for consistent image aspect ratios, like 4:3 or 16:9, across all your cards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.